How to descale your DeLonghi Magnifica coffee machine. When you need to descale it, the red button here will be flashing. Now to do that, you take out the water tray here, fill it with the correct descaler and fresh water. Now you want to get yourself a large jug or something like a Tupperware tub. What you need to do is then hold the red flashing button in until the lights across the top there flash, and then turn this to water on. Do that until all the water and the descaler has gone through. When these lights are now off and the tank is empty and this light is solid, you can now turn the steam dial off and the descale is now complete.